Hello guys, review REALME NOTE 50. This version 3GB memory and 64GB storage. Okay. Open box, looking completion, 5000 mAh battery, 8-core chipset. Okay. On this we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about device. Double camera on the back side, LED on the front side, 6.7-inch display, power button and volume buttons on this side, left side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Open settings. About phone we have one UI, REALME UI Android 13. Okay, open tests, Geekbench 5, Geekbench 5 results, single core score and multi-core score, GPU test results, okay, and look, Antutu benchmark results. Okay, good results. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.